Alright, setting up the Craftsman. These new rear tires. Got the big 27s on. Gonna have to make them fit though. Gotta trim these fenders a little. This is what was on it before, 23 inch. Go to the 27s. So pretty big height difference. I think it's like 2 inches a lift, 2.5 inches a lift. Should get me clearance when I need to pull some logs out of the woods and stuff like that. And get me nice traction. So yeah, got the tubes in them. Gonna fill them up with some tire ballast. And then this thing will be weighted down and ready to pull some stuff. So stay tuned for the modification. I'm gonna start cutting the fenders, raise them up a little, do that on both sides. Alright, stay tuned.